Hello there. In this video I will show you how you can set a breakpoint in intellij idea project. So suppose I have this file class get Google keywords, and if I wanna add a breakpoint to this file or the program, what I'm gonna do is just click in front of the line where you want to add the breakpoint, and then this red dot will be displayed. And to debug the program, you have to click on this bug icon, or you can also use Shift F9 shortcut key to debug the program. When I click on that, this main method is going to start to execute, and then control execution will halt at that particular line. So I'm gonna do that. So it is going to make the project and then is building that artifact as well, because I have checked that option. So I'm gonna disable that later on. That's why it's taking a longer time. And as soon as that control comes to this line, I can add the watches. Then I can also view the variables, what values are there in those variables. So as you can see, breakpoint reached, so that's why the execution has halted, and it is showing where is that breakpoint, line number 19. And here I can stop this execution. Here you can resume the program, but what I want to do is that here you can see the variables, and here you can add the watches. So this, in the debug window, you can see all these options. So first is show execution point, Alt F10, step over, step into. So if you press F8, the controller will go to next line. So I'm going to press F8, and as you can see, the line, one line is executed. If I press again F8, another line will be executed. Similarly, you can go further and also check the variables and their values. It also shows inline the values of those variables. Like for example, here it is showing that driver is null, and if I press F8, it will go to the next line. It is starting a Chrome driver, so it is going to wait for some time here. So this web driver is started, and then command control is going to be over here now. So as you can see, the control is stopped over there in that line, and I'm gonna press F8 again. So F8 it actually jumps to the next line. As you can see here, it jumps to the next line, also called a step over, using F8 key. If you want to get into the the method that is getting called, you can use F7, or you can also use to step into Alt Shift F7. To come out of this step, you can use Shift F8. So these are all shortcuts you can use while debugging your program, and you can view the breakpoints using this option. So it is showing all the breakpoints in my code. And to disable the breakpoints, you can use this option. So it will, even if the breakpoints exist, it will mute breakpoints. That means program is not gonna stop in there. So this is how you can debug a program in intellij IDEA. If you like this video, you can just thumbs up.